Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can withdraw from Bullx to your Phantom wallet. So what we're going to do is have our Bullx open up and also the Phantom wallet or the wallet. And then what you need to do is, let's say you want to transfer some Solana. So what you'll do is just click on Solana and then click on withdraw. Now you need to click on add withdraw wallet and then Solana. So you have to put in, let's say the name of the wallet is Phantom. And to get this wallet address, you'll just go to Phantom, click on receive, choose Solana, copy it, paste it over here, click on add wallet. As you can see, wallet has been generated successfully. Now where it says withdraw, so we want to select Solana from whatever wallet you have, and then you have to put in whatever amount, and then two would be this one, and then click on withdraw, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.